And whenever I talk about this and the importance of understanding this aspect of visualization, I always go back to this, which is probably many of you have seen this. This is arguably the most famous Japanese painting of all times, right? The Great Wave of Kanagawa. But many of you don't know what is actually the main subject of the painting. I'm not going to ask because I know someone always knows the answer, but people might think it's the tsunami, right? Or it is like the fisherman's struggle with the sea. But the main topic, the main subject of this painting is actually Mount Fuji that you see very much in the foreground. Of course, as we all know, it's the highest mountain in Japan. And more interestingly, this painting, and maybe many of you don't know this, but this painting is actually part of a series of paintings on Mount Fuji. In fact, 36 views of Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji seen from the cities, from the villages, from the fields, from the ocean, right? It's almost like if you have like a 360-degree camera taking shots of Mount Fuji from every possible angle. And that famous painting is just one single angle of that Mount Fuji. So I use Mount Fuji as a metaphor for datasets. Whenever we are trying to visualize a system, a topic, a dataset, that's your Mount Fuji. So there's multiple angles that you can take.